Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to make iced tea. As you can see, my garden is looking really bright on this sunny day, and look at this mint. It's growing nice and green and it's looking so lush. I'm going to harvest a handful of mint so I can make my iced tea. Here I have got 2 cups of water in the saucepan so I can boil it, and now I'm going to add my mint in here, which I have washed, and I'm gonna let it simmer for some time. After 5 minutes I have turned the stove off and I'm gonna cover it and let it cool down. So it has been cooled down now, so I'm going to strain it. And now I'm going to add some more water in it. And a spoonful of honey, which is optional. And I have added ice in it. Give it a good stir, and now I'm going to close the lid. And it's ready. So it's very simple and easy to make and very refreshing on hot sunny days. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.